It's a cool gift, dude.
Yeah, you're gonna be so lucky.
Okay. Oh, you have to wash my hands.
I'll wipe them off after you open.
Open the present first. That's the only present you get. I don't know if Santa's gonna have any more. What'd you get? Oh, what's the matter?
What is it?
Oh, what is it?
Mama?
Why are you so sad?
It's
Oh.
a girl present?
Is that bad?
We gave you the wrong
Oh,
present.
no.
It's okay.
Wait, it's okay. That present's for a girl. We got another one.
We'll get you another one. Okay?
Hey. Oh,
Come here.
you and your stupid ideas. Funny
I
guy.
didn't mean to. It was the wrong present.
Hey, you know
How
which
much
one's
for the name
yours?
on it?
Yours is under the tree. You want to
Yeah,
open
that
that great?
Get away. What is this?
You gotta open it.
Oh.
What is it? Hold it open so I can see it. Hold it up. Oh, it's a 3DS.
Oh, look at that. You got a 3DS.
And a Mr. Potato Head.
It's a 3DS?
Yeah, that's what you wanted, right?
It's the worst.
What?
It's the worst. It has nothing.
It's 3DS. That's what you wanted. What do you got there, Jack?
No 3DS.
Mr. Potato Head.
This doesn't make sense. This is the worst day ever.
So now Rebecca gets to go first. Hey, Rebecca. And then Jacob. And then Nick. What is it? Lego Star Wars.
It's all for Becca. Just for Becca.
Just me and you.
No, just for Becca.
My present.
Rebecca's present.
Okay, wait. No, it's okay. Oh, you're getting one. Let's do Jacob's first. Jacob goes next. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now Jacob gets to go, and then you, and then you're gonna get to go too. Just a minute. Don't be upset. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. Listen, Santa's been watching whether or not you've been good or naughty, so he's gonna be.
A remote control Ferrari. All for me.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, okay, let's see what your little present is. Let's open it. It's so special. Look at the wrapping paper. What's on the wrapping paper?
Now I don't know what's in it. Now there's two wrapping. What is in this?
Oh, how many are there?
One, two, three, four.
Because you are.
Yeah.
You're 4. Okay, what do you say to Santa? Oh, you're so sweet.
Hey.
That's what you've always wanted. Don't you love milk? What's wrong? What's wrong? Hannah, what's wrong? We're gonna give you a couple of your presents early. Alright?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, so if you look behind you at the Christmas tree, you're gonna see 2 presents. There's tags on there. The red one, Fabricio, is yours. Alessandro, you have the white one. Okay, go ahead and pick them up and come over here on the couch. Alright, just sit down. Sit down here. Alright, now you can open them at the same time, okay? Ready? Go. Go ahead, open them up.
This is to Alessandro.
This is Alessandro? Okay, switch.
I'll open yours.
Gotta make sure you get the right present. Because we worked very hard on these. These are very, very special presents. Because I remember we were talking before, and you pointed. You said, "That's what I want," and mom showed me. Bruce, up on the couch, bud.
What is that?
That's what you wanted.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. That's what you said you wanted.
What is this?
Open it up.
I'm not doing it.
Open it up, Fabricio.
No.
What's the matter? Hold it up. Fabricio, hold it up. Let me see your present. Fabricio, let me see your present. Alessandro, what's wrong? But you like Brave. You like the movie. It's from that movie. What's the matter?
You buy it for no reason.
Fabricio, show me your present.
I don't like it.
What don't you like about it? I thought that's what you wanted. Fabricio, go grab your present.
No.
Do it. I want to see it, buddy.
Never girl.
Not necessarily.
Yes, it is.
It's from the movie you like.
No, I don't like it.
What don't you like about it? I thought you liked this, buddy. That's not very nice. We put a lot of thought into that present, Alessandro.
I don't like it. Because that's your fault.
What's my fault?
That you got the girl stuff.
But I thought you'd like it, buddy.
I don't.
Why not?
And I don't like it.
Why?
Because you gave me a stupid Hello Kitty chest. You stupid parents. I hate you. I hate you all.
Hopefully they got it right. They screwed it up? It was supposed to be Hester.
Yeah, I know how much you like soup.
No. What is this?
It's a sponge.
I want a car.
A car? Yeah. Maybe on Christmas Day Santa will bring you a car.
A staple?
Nessa, what'd you get? Mario, what'd you get?
I don't know.
It's an invisible fence for your dog.
Was it a joke? I think it was.
Well, Jimmy Kimmel told me to do it.
Well, tell him to suck my balls.
Oh, what's the matter? Don't you like broccoli?
It is so funny.